Welcome back users. So in the last video we had done the installation of Gnome desktop using the Arcolinux quick tool. Now let us check out the desktop that is being installed in the last video. Now it should boot up. Yes, there was an issue. Let's install. Okay, so let us start. We will boot into the Gnome Wayland session. So the welcome app is there as usual to welcome us. We will close this down. Now first of the thing we have to do is let us check out the wallpaper. So this wallpaper is the same that we had set on the open box and IceWM window managers. So, and of course the conky also the same theme is displayed properly here in the Gnome. So though we have mixed up the different desktops and Windows manager on a single machine, they are working fine. I don't see any issue with the display, because normally what happens is when you mix up the different desktops and window managers, the configs get cluttered and then you have some visual mishap. So that is not there. See, so now let us go through the desktop. So we have got the gestures are not there. Single button multiple finger gestures are not there in this Gnome installation. Okay, then what we do is we check out the time date calendar. So this is the notification area, this is the calendar, these are the events area, events notification. You can add the world clocks here. You can select the weather location. Let us check out this weather location if it works or not, because many times the Gnome weather will not work. It will not show the location that has been freshly added to it. Let us check if it works. Then after the reboot, then it shows the proper location. So it is acting up again. It is not accepting the Ahmedabad location. Okay, so I think after reboot it will start showing. Then we move to the right side of the top bar. So there is the network manager, the settings is there, and power log off and log out is there. Okay, at the bottom you got the dock here, and dock has web. Let us check out the web application. I think it must be Firefox only. Okay, I think it should be Firefox, or it is some other. What is this? What is this? Okay, why it is opening the KD help file? This is what I was talking to you about. When the desktops mix, when you try to open the help for web browser, it is opening the KDE help. Look here. So this is what happens when you mix the desktop. So if you are not comfortable, if you are not expert enough, do not mix the desktop. Try to use the one desktop only. At the most, what you can do is you can follow the middle path. You install one major desktop like KDE or Gnome, and then you install a Windows manager. One Windows manager is good enough, or maybe two, because desktops and Windows manager will not that much mix up. But when you install two major desktops like this, we are done here. So we already had the full KDE desktop, and then we installed the full Gnome desktop. So what is happening is, now when you click to check the help for web browser, it is opening the KDE help. So this is how the things and configs get mixed up. So this is what the developer of Arcolinux is showing on this website. So things do get mixed up. So if you want to see, I will show you what he wants to tell. If you go here, it is telling you the same thing. you will experience that some desktops will look off, but at least the look factor we have not encountered still now. The desktops are looking okay in all the instances, but you find the mixing is there. Mixing of the configs has already been done. So this is what I want to point to you out. Okay, now let us proceed ahead. Now, so we have got the gear is there. Yes, the Gnome context is there. Gnome weather, clocks, maps. So books application is there. Let us check out the books application. Yes, so this is the books application. So you can store your ebook collection here, PDFs and everything. Okay, let us go ahead. So this is Gnome photos, videos application is there, calculator is there, gedit is there, document scanner, settings app is there, system monitor. Let us check out the system monitor. You can see here even the Aconadi, I think this Aconadi evolution, all the Gnome background apps processes are working along with, I think KDE also. No, KDE is yeah, some part of the KDE like the calendar, KDE Connect, KDE KDED File, K Global SSC. I think this is the global access or some application is there. HDM PAM is there. So when you do a mix up of the desktops, so many different processes from the different desktops will continue to work in the background. So anytime if you just change or log off and log in into another desktop, then the changeover is very fast. So you need not wait for one desktop to stop completely and then you boot into the second desktop. So you can directly switch the desktop easily. But then it hogs the system. You can see the CPU usage and everything. I will show you around. Okay, the CPU usage is around 15, I think 5 to 30%, we can say 5 to 30 or 28%. So memory usage is that way high, and it is almost using 1.9 GB of memory. So anyhow, Gnome desktop is traditionally using memory on the higher side, so that is not any surprises there, but it is little more. So if you use the Gnome desktop in the Debian, it will use around 1 to 1.1 GB. But since this is a mixed desktop, so you got the KDE, OpenBox and IceWM also. So those desktop processes are also, some of the processes are running in background. So it increases the memory. Okay. Now I will close this down. Let us see any other apps are. Okay, let us check out in utilities. So you got the advanced network configuration, disk switches, connections, document, eVice document viewer, Eye of Gnome is there, disk is there, archive manager, Twix is there, and what Telix. Yes, the Telix terminal that we installed during the mixed desktop installation of KDE, full KDE plus KDE environment and development environment plus OpenBox plus IceWM. That time we had selected Telix as an extra app, so that has been installed. That we have checked in one of the earlier videos also how it works. Now let us, what is this usage app? Okay, so here you can see the usage. So here you can see the performance. What is this app? Okay, this app is, I think, Gnome app only, for made for Gnome. So you can see the Gnome version 3.38. Okay. Storage, it is also showing the storage usage. So operating system has taken 23.8 GB. So if you remember in one of the earlier video, I think last to last video, we have checked out the size of the installation. So that time it was 21.5 GB, I think, and now it has increased to 21.8. So there is around 2.3 GB extra. So the Gnome installation has taken around 2.3 GB extra. So now only 5.5 GB free space is available. That is it. This is one of the heaviest desktops I have seen in my all experience. But yes, most of the things are working properly. There is no issue. That you can also see it on the screen. I am facing none of the issues. Only the help file, there was an issue with the help file opening. The web browser help opened the KDE help, so it did not open the web browser help. So that was the issue because of the mix up of desktops. Now let us go ahead. Exerciser help. These all the applications we had installed for the KDE, so that is also seen here. Okay. Some games have been installed because whenever the Gnome desktop is installed, in most of the Linux distros, some games are also installed. So that is there. So some of the applications here are from the KDE. So now what I will do is I will check out only the Gnome app. So let us check out the extensions. What extensions are available? Okay, by default. So built-in extensions are applications menu. Let us click on it. So applications can be seen here in the drop-down menu. Auto move windows. I will not use this. Launch new instance, no. Native window placement, no. Onboard indicator, yes, we can do this. This extension is incompatible with the current Gnome version. Okay, so earlier it was compatible. So I will check later which Gnome version is this. I think it will be at least for 41 or 42. I think. PAMAC updates indicator, yes, we should use this. So this will show the PAMAC updates indicator. Places indicator also is required. So this is the drop down menu for the places indicator. Removable drive media, yes, this is also required. Screenshot window sizer, okay. User themes, yes, this is important. You have to enable it. And then Windows list, yes. No, I will not keep this. Window navigator. Let us see what happens. We keep this off. Workspace indicator, yes sir, this is important. So here we can see. Okay. So yes, checked out the extensions. Let us check out the version of extension. So yes, it is 42.2. So Gnome edition is 42.2. That's good. It is the current version. I will close this down. Let us go and check out the tweaks. So if we type here tweaks, it will open the Gnome tweaks, and then we will check out if any tweaks can be applied here to check the desktop performance. Okay, suspend when, okay, okay. Let us check out the appearance thing. Let us check out the themes. Now the cursor themes. Oh, lot of cursor themes are there. Even the KDE themes are also available here. So you can really mix and match the different desktop. So you can have Gnome desktop with the KDE theme. So let us try it out. What happens if we do KDE theme on Gnome desktop? So this will apply the theme. Okay, I don't see any effect there. Or what we can do is we can try out the oxygen black theme. In the icons, we go for the flatbed cursor black. Let us check out. We will check this out. It is not getting applied. I think the theme is not getting applied. Okay, sound, let it be default. Let us check out the legacy applications. Okay, so here Arch Linux Blue application is there. Let us check what happens for the Linux Arch Linux Blue theme for the legacy applications. Okay, adjustment zoom. Okay, lock screen is also candy to zoom. Okay, what we can do, cursor themes only very few are there. So let us go with the flatbed cursor black. Okay, icons, let us go with Arcolinux, no, candy. Okay, let us go with the Arcolinux candy beauty. Check what effect it has. Yes, so this has changed the icon theme. Let us check out more icon themes. Okay, the Advaita is there. Let us do the breeze theme. What happens? So I think breeze theme does not apply here. We'll change the theme. Let us go with fluent. Fluent should apply, I think. Yes, fluent theme is successfully applied. So we will keep this fluent theme. Yes, it is getting applied. So the KD theme failed to apply here. I thought maybe KD will apply, but KD is not getting applied. Okay. This is how you have to just experiment with your desktops and everything, and then you should start learning and become wise. Okay, keyboard show extended input sources. Okay, I will not do that. And in the top bar, I will click all of this. Okay, so I get the day week day date time in even seconds is also available. And let us check out if weekday is available. Weekday, I don't think the weekday. Yes, this is the weekday, 26th week of the year. Okay. Okay, done. So we have finished with the tweaks. Now let us go over and check out the settings menu. This is the settings, Gnome settings. So this is the network manager, Bluetooth manager, appearance. We'll check out. Yes, so the light and dark styles are available, and the standard Gnome desktop wallpapers in light and dark themes both are available. So I will not change the wallpapers, let it remain like that only. We will go ahead now to notifications. So this is notification settings, this is search settings, multitasking, applications, okay, privacy. All this we have discussed many times, so I will not go in detail. I will just go over swiftly. Okay, power, display, mouse. So there are no power modes here. Remember, the power modes are not there. In some of the distros, the power modes are available, but this is not giving you any power modes to work with. Okay, printers, color. Let us check out. Okay, accessibility settings, region and language, date and time, and then finally about section. In about section you can see this is the Linux build ID rolling. So it is a rolling release of Linux 64-bit, but it is not showing whether it is Arch or which distro it is. It is only showing the Linux. So this is maybe this is because of it is pure Linux. So Arcolinux only they have modded the Arch Linux to look, and they have done some scripting and other things to modify it a little bit to make it user friendly. Gnome version is 42.2, windowing system is X11. Okay, so the Gnome session I thought it was Wayland, but it is X11 only. Virtualization is KVM. Then let us check out the software updates. Here it is showing it is updated. Okay. Then what I will do is I will close this down. Let us open the updates. So six updates are available in the package manager, while the Gnome settings was not showing any updates as available. Yes, so now you remember what it is. Why the Gnome updater was Gnome setting was not showing any updates, because these updates are for the system. It is not for the Gnome desktop. So the package manager is showing the updates here, only the package, not the KD store. I think KD was showing the updates, but Gnome did not show us the updates. Only this package manager. Let us check out the package manager. Which is package? Is Gnome package or what exactly it is? Let us check out. Let us check out. Okay, so the Arcolinux software center is showing the updates, not the Gnome settings. So let us apply. The size is very small, 2.6 MB only. So there is update to hardware probe. INZI is a command line system information tool. libmm, that is the modem manager. Lib http2 and modem manager, and the python row classifier. So let us apply it and put the sudo password. Did not work. What the heck? Yes, now it is working. Okay, so now the update is done. We will close the software center, close the settings. I think let us check out if we can change the background from here, and it offers the no, so it is only offering the Gnome wallpapers. So I will close this down. Let us check out if the conky we can do. Let us try to do it. The conky toggle. Let us try. Okay, I am opening that conky toggle. Let us see if the conky toggle will. Yes, it is working here. Let us try the AUR. Let's try this conky. What happens? Let us see. Yes, so the conky has been applied. New conky, that is the conky slate. It is slate, so it will occupy vertically all the space on the right hand side. So it is a slate. Okay, so I will keep this, and with this I will stop the video here. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do comment on our channel videos, and do not forget to press the bell button, otherwise you will miss the new videos that are uploaded every day. We upload around 1 to 2 videos at least every day. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.